Venetian blind machine operators are multi-skilled. They make aluminium and wooden Venetian blinds and fabric roller blinds, amongst others. Here we look at the manufacture of roller and Venetian blinds. The top and bottom of the roller blinds, called tubes, are measured and cut on this machine. The thick upper tube is cut first and then the thinner bottom tube. In the assembly area, the fabric has already been cut. It comes in a variety of colors and thicknesses. Blockout is thick enough to block out the sun, and the thinner fabrics are see-through. Double-sided tape and then a strip of aluminium cord is applied, making a stiff edge which easily slides into the groove of the bottom tube. The other end is attached to the top tube. The operating mechanism and the opening and closing chain is added. Finally, the blind is tested. The operator checks the length and tests that everything works smoothly. They are always a bit too long because it's easier to cut extra length off than to add another piece. Venetian blinds are made from rolls of aluminium coil, available in different colors. The operator adds a roll to this machine and programs the width and the height. It's cut automatically. The machine also punches holes in the slats through which the ladder tape is threaded. The operator starts the process and the machine then threads it automatically. The ladder tape, which has already been cut to size by another operator, holds the slats in place. This operator cuts the head and bottom rail. Holes are then punched into the head rails to add the drum support used to operate the blind. The Venetian blind is now ready for assembly. The drum supports are added and the ladder tape is threaded through them. A tilt rod is also fitted to the drums. It makes the slats tilt open at angles or close completely. A lift cord is also added, which pulls the blinds up and down. The blind is then tested. First, the operator checks the measurement. As with roller blinds, they're always made a bit too long, and a few slats are removed to get the extra length. The mechanisms are also checked. The bottom rail is attached and the operator adds 4 to 5 extra slats, so the length can be adjusted on site. Finally, the bottom rail is fed through the extra slats. A similar but more manual process is used to make wooden Venetian blinds. The main difference is that the machine that cuts and punches holes only does one slat at a time. Employers set their own entry requirements for Venetian blind machine operators, and on-the-job training is provided. The operator's eye for detail and good hand-eye coordination skills add beauty to many homes and workplaces.